Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up a scheduled refresh for your data in Power BI. If you've ever found yourself needing the most up-to-date reports without manually hitting refresh every time, this tutorial is going to be a game changer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to automate your Power BI updates, ensuring you and your team always have the latest data at your fingertips. Alright, let's dive right in. Our first step is to head over to your Power BI workspace. You'll see this on the left side of your screen. It's labeled My Workspace. Now take a moment here to find the specific project or dataset you want to set up with a refresh schedule. If you have a lot of datasets, just hover your mouse over each one until you spot the correct project. It can take a second, especially if you're working in a busy environment with lots of reports, so don't rush. Just make sure you've got the right one selected, because we're about to automate its updates. Once you've located your project, you'll notice an option that says Schedule Refresh. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up an entirely new panel, and this is where the magic really happens. The next thing you'll want to click on is Refresh. This section is dedicated to controlling all of the refresh settings for your selected dataset. Now in the refresh settings, look out for the place where you can set your time zone. Setting the correct time zone is more important than it might seem at first. Let's say your business operates across different regions. It's crucial to choose the time zone that matches your reporting needs so your data refreshes at exactly the right time. Imagine it's like setting the clock on a coffee maker. You want your fresh pot ready when you need it, not 2 hours too early or late. Once your time zone is set, the next step is to actually turn on the refresh schedule. There should be a little toggle or button for this. Don't worry if it seems simple, just make sure it's switched on, because without this, none of the scheduling options will apply. Now you get to pick how often you want your data to refresh. You'll see options for frequency, typically daily or weekly. Think about how often the underlying data actually changes. If your source is updated every night, daily is probably ideal. If it's something less frequent, weekly might do. You'll also have the option to set specific times for these refreshes. For example, maybe you want the data to refresh every morning before your team checks the dashboard. And if you need the data updated more than once per day, most plans let you add additional refresh times. Just click Add Another Time and schedule as many as you need. This flexibility is super helpful for businesses with rapid data changes. Another important feature here is notifications for refresh failures. You can choose to send automatic alerts if something goes wrong. By default, the owner of the semantic model will get the notification, but you might want to add other team members as contacts too. That way, if a refresh fails, maybe because of a data connection issue or a credential problem, you won't be left in the dark. It's a bit like having a smoke alarm for your data, so you can react quickly if anything goes awry. Once everything's set just the way you want it, go ahead and hit Apply to make sure your schedule is active. That's it. You've just automated one of the most time-consuming parts of report management in Power BI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you never miss out on practical Power BI tips. And if you have any questions about scheduling refreshes or run into any bumps along the way, drop a comment below. I'm always here and happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.